Hello and welcome to the channel. Let's look at the garden. It's full of flowers, and you can see I made a couple of crosses already, and I made chastity belt from wax paper. So I have the dwarf Asiatics in bloom, and they look nice. And I also have tiger babies in bloom. This is one clone, and Natty's bride. And oh, I've got some disease again in King David, but I have black stones and less black in flower, so that's nice. Virus infection in Avalon Sunset, and I got Forever Susan in flower, and Double Lady, and this is a lovely cultivar from the Baltics, and I have corsage with a little virus infection, so I have to pull these out. And I have the Candidums wild dog from Turkey in flower, and some of them are fragrant, but some of them are not, so that's quite interesting. And the wonderful eryngiums in bloom, Zavelli Big Blue and the seedling, and there will be others in bloom soon. This will be Tripartitum, and I have Agavifolium in the back. I have the double form of Triteleia Laxa Aquarius, and I have the alliums finished, and I have the cernums starting. And I have my cultivars flowering, so it's quite nice. Seedlings. Oh, I have to pick this stem for the show. And lots of nice flowers. Oh, the regale is open. I haven't noticed. Ooh, this is some virus infection I have. And of course, more weeds. So, weeding always. Lovely tango hybrids. And oh, there's also virus infection in this one. It's funny because half of the plant is infected, the other half is not. So, and look at this, even more lilies in bloom. So, still dwarf Asiatics with slugs, and the TAs are nice. I have to collect some buds for tissue culture. Yellow cocotte, orange cocotte, and hopefully later white cocotte. Which one is this? Oh yeah, it's the I have to check cross court. So cross court is in flower. It's not fully double, but maybe it will have some viable pollen which I can make crosses with. This stem looks nice. This stem also looks okay. This is nice. So tomorrow I have to pick some stems for the show. And this is a virus infection, of course. Oh, this is a dead stem. Oh, and I have some ornamental sunflowers planted a few weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, and there have buds. So things look okay for now. I have some martagons dying on me, so that's unfortunate. This is very unfortunate. Oh, and I have papaya blaze in flower. This is my cultivar. And some lovely cultivars from abroad. So Abaddon is looking very nice. And I have the American hybrids in bloom. Yay! Also some lovely Asiatics from the Baltics. Very nice stems. I realized I can't count how many cultivars I have because I always buy new ones and some die out. So I just leave it there. Nice. So this is a seedling from Canada, and I have a distorted flower from Fusion, but I have Pardolinum in flower, so that's nice. And I still have to pick out the weeds, which were unfortunately sold as annual seeds. Well, it's an annual, but it's a weed. So, and I have Gomphrena in bud, so that's also nice. But the weeds are growing very quickly. We had a good rain yesterday, so nice. So big rain that the water is standing between the tubs. So I need to do more weeding. These stems would have been gone to the show, but they are ugly, so I'm not going to cut them. Oh, and this is a new one, Pura Paraiso. It's nice, a double one. And the hostas are looking nice. And the Zingiber Myoga. This is the Dancing Crane cultivar, it's a variegated one. And I got big seed pods on the Hick Australia and on the Zontodacea. So, and of course, Papaya Blaze. So, thank you for attention. See you next time. Bye bye.